basically first we know that what is the full form of RAG. So the full form of RAG is the Retrieval-Augmented Generation. So Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or we can say that the RAG, it is an architecture of optimizing the performance of an artificial intelligence models by connecting it with the external knowledge base. The RAG help large language models drive more relevant responses at the high quantity. Then let's talk about what are the benefit of RAG. So the primary benefit of RAG includes the cost-effective AI implementation and the AI scaling. Then access to the correct domain-specific data, risk of an AI hallucinations, increase user trust and expand use cases, enhance the development control and the model maintenance, and the greater data security. So RAG system follow a 5-step process. The first step is that the user submit a prompt, then the information retrieve the model, query the knowledge base for the relevant data, then relevant information is written from the knowledge base to the integrated layer. The RAG system engineers and the argument prompt to the LLM with the enhancement context from the retrieval data. The LLM generates an output and returns the output to the user. Now components of RAG system is the first component is the knowledge base. That's knowledge base is the external data repository होती है for the system. Like जिसमें हम external knowledge की बात करें, so we can take the PDF format, documents, guide, website, audio files and more. Much of this will be unstructured data. Then retrieval and AI models that search the knowledge base for the relevant data, vector search. We can say the search is type of vector search. Okay, the integrated layers, the portion of a RAG architectures that coordinates that its overall functioning, like the lag chain, lemma index. Generators, the generative AI models that create an output based on the user query and the retrieves the data, like the GPT Claude lemma. So let's talk about what is the difference between the RAG and the fine tuning. So the RAG let an LLM query an external data source, whereas the fine tuning trains an LLM on the domain specific data. Then the RAG agents the models in the generating relevant high quality output, whereas the fine tuning increase the model familiarity with the intense domain and the output required. Both have the same goal to make an LLM perform better in the specific domain. Okay, so let's talk about more about the RAG. So let's see this. So in this website, that website is the promptingguide.ai. So in this website we will see about RAG, that is the Retrieval-Augmented Generation RAG for the LLM. So in this is the basic summary of this and the introduction to RAG, that how RAG works. So first it prompt, then data storage, then generate the language models, and this is our retrieval document, then it responds. Okay, then this is the tree diagram, how it evolves. So 2020 to 2040, and पैराडिग की बात करते हैं, एडवांस RAG, मॉड्यूलेटर RAG, what is the framework of RAG generation, argumentations. Then this is the RAG versus the fine tuning, the difference. This is the more difference you can see there. Okay. Challenges in the future of RAG. What are the challenges? That is the context length, hybrid approach, scaling law, like things, and the tooling and the conclusion of these things. So now you can go through this thing and make notes of these things and be prepared for the next lecture. And thank you for watching.